In the field of wire mesh machinery manufacturing, Feiyue Wire Mesh Machinery Manufacturing Co. Ltd. has always been leading the way with its outstanding performance. The protrusion equipment for glass fiber reinforced bars carefully crafted by the company integrates cutting-edge technology and exquisite craftsmanship. The equipment has a precise composition, and all systems, from yarn feeding, resin impregnation to forming and cutting, operate efficiently in coordination. Its working principle is scientific and rigorous, ensuring the stable and reliable quality of the produced glass fiber reinforced bars. This equipment features high production efficiency, a high degree of automation, and can be customized to meet diverse needs. It is widely applied in industries such as construction, bridges, and the power sector, providing high-quality, reinforcing materials for relevant projects. Feiyue Wire Mesh Machinery Manufacturing Co. Ltd. is willing to take the protrusion equipment for glass fiber reinforced bars as a bridge to join hands with you and jointly create new heights in the wire mesh machinery manufacturing industry. 1393289600 Email aetap@163.com. Company address, detailed address, High-Tech Development Zone, Anping County, Hangshui City, Hebei Province, China. We look forward to your call for inquiries and on-site visits.
Yeah.